1.4 Miss Slippery 1.4 Miss Slippery warming up chit chat. 1. Do you argue with your friend? Why? Answer. Yes, I argue with my friends when our views opinions don't agree with each other. 2. Do you stop your argument after some time or continue it for a long time? Answer. Yes, most of the time we stop our arguments after some time. 3. Why do people quarrel fight? Answer. The fight main reason is ego of the person. 4. Do we forgive or punish our dear ones for their mistake? Answer. We forgive our dear ones after their mistake. 5. What do you feel after a quarrel with dear ones? Answer. I feel sad after a quarrel with dear ones. 1. Think over the following and tick mark the proper option as per your choice. A. Do your classmates tease, trouble and avoid you? Yes, no, sometime, sometime. B. Do you with your friends also tease, trouble or give names to any of your classmates? Yes, no, sometimes, no. How do you handle the teasing? Cry, ignore, complain to teacher, ignore. D. How do you handle yourself when punished in class? Cry, get angry, decide to change. C. What is the best way to react when others trouble, insult you? Take revenge, ignore them totally, become depressed, none of them. Ignore them totally. Number 2. Rewrite using proper punctuation marks and capital letters. 1. Amar said, I could not complete my geography homework. इस सेंटेंस में अमर का एक कैपिटल लिखना है, सेट के बाद कॉमा लगाना है, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा स्टार्ट करेंगे, आई कैपिटल लिखेंगे, ज्योग्राफी का जी कैपिटल लिखेंगे, इन्वर्टेड कॉमास क्लोज करना है और फुल स्टॉप लगाना है. नंबर 2. व्हाई डिड यू गो टू नागपुर? ये सेंटेंस इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. इसका स्टार्ट का डब्ल्यू कैपिटल लिखना है, नागपुर का एन कैपिटल लिखना है और लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना है. नंबर 3. द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया लिव्स एट राष्ट्रपति भवन इन न्यू दिल्ली. इस सेंटेंस को कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट करना है. प्रेसिडेंट का पी कैपिटल लिखना है, इंडिया का आई कैपिटल लिखेंगे, राष्ट्रपति का आर कैपिटल लिखेंगे, भवन का बी कैपिटल लिखेंगे, न्यू दिल्ली का एन और डी कैपिटल लिखकर लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप लगाना है. नंबर 4. व्हाट अ लाउड एक्सप्लोशन दैट वाज. ये एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस है. इसे कैपिटल लेटर्स से स्टार्ट करेंगे, डब्ल्यू कैपिटल लिखेंगे और लास्ट में साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन लगाना है. नंबर 5. फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, जूलॉजी एंड बॉटनी आर ब्रांचेस ऑफ साइंस. इस सेंटेंस में कुछ पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट दिए हुए हैं जिनका इनिशियल लेटर हमें कैपिटल लिखना है, जैसे फिजिक्स का पी, केमिस्ट्री का सी, जूलॉजी का जेड और बॉटनी का बी और साइंस का एस कैपिटल लिखकर लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप लगाना है. नंबर 3. राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स what according to you is the best way to get rid of a negative bad quality in your friend. Answer. To get rid of negative quality, I will tell my friends to think about the happy moments in the past. Meditation is a very effective way to control the bad negative thoughts in mind. English workshop. 1. Two different words are joined to form a new word with a new meaning. Such words are called compound words. Sometimes there is hyphen between compound words. For example, homework or kind-hearted. Pick out some compound words from the lesson. 1. Classroom. 2. Notebooks. 3. Sometimes. 4. Somebody. 5. Never ending. 6. Red hot. 2a. Add the proper prefix to make the following words opposite in meaning. 1. Obey. Disobey. 2. Sympathetic. Unsympathetic. 3. Honor. Dishonor. 4. Afraid. Unafraid. 5. Content. Discontent. B. Add suffix to convert the following words to adjective form. Love. Lovable. Thought. Thoughtful. Forget. Forgettable. Care. Careful. Count. Countable. Fear. Fearful. Move. Movable. Tear. Tearful. Punish. Punishable. Joy. Joyful. 3. Find word expressions from the story which are similar in meaning to 1. Very expensive, extravagant. 2. Longing for, yearning. 3. Could not remember at all, went blank. 4. Constant, perpetual. 5. Gather all one's courage, muster courage. 6. Filled and increased in size, inflated. 7. Penning badly, smarting. 8. Forced to pay a big amount of money, to pay through nose. 4. Answer in short in your own word. Question number 1. The history teacher had asked them to memorize it. What? Answer. The causes and effect of the Battle of Panipat. Question number 2. Sayali's new frock tore. How? Answer to while coming down the school stairs, Sayali fell and came trembling down, and her new frock was torn. 3. Sayali hugged him tight. Who? Answer. Her younger brother. Question number 4. Sayali was called slippery. Why? Answer. Because she often slept on the ground. Question number 5. Teacher told Sayali to meet her in the teacher's room. When? Answer. After the class. Question number 6. Teacher asked Sayali to carry the notebooks. Where? Answer. To the teacher's room. 5. Divide the class in two groups with the help of your teacher and convert the story into a skit. Each group can take up one part of the story and later combine both the parts. Mention the following in your compilation. Present the skit in your class. 1. A new title. 2. Scenes. 3. Characters. 4. Dialogues. 5. Entry. 6. Exit. The teacher divided the student in the class into two groups for this activity. Students will complete their activities and give presentations. This is how this activity will be completed in class. Number 6. Write what expression does a person use in the following situation. Number 1. When a person gets a sudden fright. I have butterflies in stomach. 2. When a person is very nervous. Shoulders down. 3. When a person is tensed. Wearing a long face. 4. When a person is very happy. In seventh heaven. 5. When a person is very confident. Going great. 6. When a person is very angry. Looking cross. 7. When a person is very sad. Feeling blue.